Welcome to AI Rasoi by Sam. Want perfectly crispy, golden, and irresistibly cheesy kunafa at home? Let's make some delicious, authentic kunafa. 250 grams of kunafa pastry, 150 grams of melted butter, mozzarella, half a cup of cream, a tablespoon of sugar and pistachios. First, boil sugar and water for 5 minutes. Add a squeeze of lemon and let the syrup cool completely. Separate the kunafa strands really well, then coat every strand generously with melted butter. Press half of the kunafa firmly into the pan to create a compact, crispy base. Now add a creamy layer of cheese, keeping it away the edges so it doesn't leak while baking. Cover with the remaining kunafa and gently press the top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius until deeply golden and beautifully crisp. While it's hot, pour over the chilled syrup and let it soak up all that sweetness. Finish with pistachios, slice it up, and look at that crispy golden crust and gooey cheese. This is homemade kunafa perfection.